Front engine front-wheel drive is a type of drivetrain used in cars which have its engine and transmission systems located at its front, thereby putting the car's heaviest part over the front wheels. The engine, the gearbox, and final drive are combined into a single unit, which is referred to as trans-axle, and it is mounted either before, after, or transversely on the front axle. Examples of cars available in front-wheel drive are Toyota Venza, Toyota Highlander, Toyota Camry, Toyota Sienna, Toyota Corolla, Mercedes-Benz A-Class, Volkswagen Passat, Lexus RX350, Lexus S Sport, Lexus CS350, Honda Civic, Hyundai Sonata, Range Rover Evoque, etc. And some of the known advantages of front-wheel drive are: it reduces mechanical losses. Since power is not transferred to the rear wheels, it creates room for more interior and luggage space. Since it has no drive shaft to the rear wheels that occupy space, it gives protection in the event of an accident or collision from the front, which houses the engine. It brings about ease of cooling, since the engine, the radiator, and radiator fan are mounted in the front of the vehicle. It also offers superior traction on wet and snowy road, giving the driver more control over the vehicle compared to rear wheel drive, as the engine's weight directly pushes down on the driving wheels, that is for front wheel drive, enhancing traction especially in challenging conditions. And some of the known disadvantages of front wheel drive are: it has complicated engine compartment, making maintenance more difficult. It could lead to more pronounced wear of the tires and constant velocity joint. It also faces reduced traction when accelerated too aggressively, especially in extreme slippery road or sharp turns. Rear engine rear wheel drive, as the name implies, has to do with installing the engine and the drive system at the rear, which allows for good steering grip when descending hills, and as well prevents fierce acceleration. Examples of cars under this category are Volkswagen Beetle, Porsche 911, luxurious buses, etc. And some of its non-advantages are: it has better road grip when accelerating and descending hills. Reduced engine noise and vibration is felt in the cabin, since the engine is located behind its occupant, insinuating that less sound and fumes travels into the interior of the car. And some of its known drawbacks are: heavy tail resulting in poor handling. They are expensive to purchase, repair, and maintain. And some have reduced interior space and as well are prone to snap overstay. That is where the weight at the rear tries to swing forward. Mid-engine rear-wheel drive applies to mainly sport cars which are known for speed, minibuses, and coaches, to allow passengers to go in through the front. Its objective is to improve stability with the entirety of the weight concentrated at the center of the vehicle. And a good example is the Ferrari 296 GS recently acquired by Wizkid. It has even weight distribution, making handling easier, and as well achieves maximum traction from the driving wheels. Some of its known disadvantages are: less interior space. They tend to be more expensive to purchase with increased maintenance cost, and the engine's proximity to the passenger's compartment amplifies the risk of severe injury.